Hello, I have ordered the Casio A159 on Amazon, and here you see the Amazon warehouse codes. So I picked up this parcel at the nearest postal agent. So this is a plastic box, not a cardboard box like this one. Usually these type of vintage digital watches, they come in cardboard boxes like this one. But as this is a digital watch by Casio made in Japan, it is delivered in a plastic box. Here it says Nuevo Casio bracelet watch. Here's the user's guide. This is the warranty certificate.
Your Casio watch carries a limited warranty of 24 months from the date of purchase against all manufacturing defects, subject to the terms and conditions of the warranty policy.
Here you see a nifty hang tag. And here is the model number A159W-N1DF. The 593 module. And here's the watch in all its glory.
Wow, it's very nice.
I made the order on April 4th and I received the watch yesterday on April 10th. I paid $38.31 with free shipping. That's a fair price. This digital watch features the classic retro vintage design of the 1980s. Back in the day, this type of watch was super trendy. This was well before the mobile phone era. First off, I will set the correct time, date and day of the week on this watch. I press the lower left button 3 times to enter the time setting mode. I press the upper left button to change the selection of seconds, hours, minutes, month, day and day of the week. I press the lower right button to reset the seconds. So now I have set the correct time. I can toggle between 12 and 24-hour format by pressing the right button in the regular timekeeping mode. If you hold the button longer, it will display the word Casio, so you know the watch is a genuine Casio. I press the lower left button to change between modes. This is the alarm mode. This is the stopwatch mode. Now I'm back in the regular timekeeping mode.
Part 2.
The dial.
I like the dial. It's clear and easy to read. There is no shadow behind the characters, even at extreme angles. The Casio A159 has a dial rich with nuance. It's beautifully executed with a muted design. The logo is positioned to the left. The Casio A159 is a quite elegant digital watch, well matched to the taste of vintage enthusiasts. The Casio A159 is visually spectacular with its lustrous case that is finished to a gorgeous degree. But looks can be deceiving. Take note, the high gloss finish is chrome-plated resin that resembles steel. This watch has character with its magnificent retro design. The dial is nicely sized at 33 millimeters, and the watch measures 37 millimeters across the case. The Casio A159 is surprisingly wearable and well proportioned. Let's throw this Casio A159 on my 17 centimeters wrist for reference and to give scale. I haven't sized the bracelet yet, but as you see, there is plenty of space left on either side of my wrist. I think this watch is suitable for a wrist that is as small as 14 centimeters in circumference. The thickness of the A159 is manageable. It's 8 millimeters, so this one will slide under the cuff. Let's compare the A159 to the G-Shock DW5600. The G-Shock is significantly thicker. The Casio A159 has a conventional 18 millimeter spacing between the lugs. Let's weigh this Casio. This watch weighs 48 grams. The case back is attached with 4 small screws, and you will need a small screwdriver when it's time to replace the CR2016 button cell battery after approximately 7 years. Here it says Japan. This watch is made in Japan. Most watches by Casio, most vintage digital Casios are made in China, like this A700.
China.
Let's not the A159. It's Japan made.
Part 3. The bracelet.
It's actually a fairly simple process to adjust the bracelet. However, you will need a spring bar tool or a sizing tool to do it successfully. Now I have sized the bracelet so it fits my wrist perfectly. I had to remove a couple of links. The Casio A159 has a linked steel bracelet with a deployant clasp. The bracelet looks premium. The name of the brand, Casio, is deeply engraved on the clasp. And here's a sticker as well. So let's compare this clasp, the Casio clasp, to the Seiko 5 clasp. The bracelet has no dramatic side-to-side play, and there's hardly any daylight showing between the links, so the tolerance is outstanding. Most digital watches from the Casio Vintage series have a bracelet with a sliding clasp. This clasp is easier to adjust.
"30 meters water resistance" means that your watch can withstand water droplets and quick hand washing.
The Casio A159 is a nice looking watch on every level.
An unknown user from Corpus Christi, Texas, has watched more than 2 minutes of content on this YouTube channel. Dear viewers from all over the world,
hey, what's up everyone?
The world is very different now.
there is more to this channel than wristwatches.
All right,
You can also check out my vacuum cleaner videos.
give it a try.
World Reviews provides 27 videos of vacuum cleaners from brands like Electrolux, Philips, Bosch, Volta, Panasonic, Matsui, and Miele. These are short, informative videos that help you decide what type of vacuum cleaner you need to get your house clean.
It's pretty self-explanatory, but a lot of people aren't aware of that.
I also make videos about tumble dryers.
For me, it's a great machine.